HTML page structure. The basic requirements of a web page are doc type, the HTML head, title, and body tags. When we say tag, we can also say element. It's the same thing. These make up the basic skeleton of a web page, and below is how these requirements look when they're combined in a basic web page. Doc type. Doc type is short for document type declaration, and it is absolutely the first item on a web page. Its job is to specify which version of HTML the browser should expect to see by associating the web page with a document type definition. In turn, the browser uses this information to decide how it should render the items on the screen. HTML. An HTML document is built using elements, where elements are like bricks holding the web page together. The HTML element is the outermost container of a web page. There are two major sections in the HTML element, the head and the body. The head contains information about the page, while the body contains everything we see on the page, such as images, text, video, and so forth. All of that go inside the body element. So, again, about the head element, it contains information about the page, as we just said, but no information will be displayed on the page itself. The title element, which resides inside the head element, will tell the browser what to display in its title bar. Here it says untitled document until we write something. So if we check out Google, for example, this is the title bar and it says Google, probably, not probably, definitely, because in their title element they have typed the word Google instead of untitled document. The meta element provides additional information about the page, such as the content type and character set. In this example, the content is HTML as opposed to CSS or JavaScript, for example, and the character set is UTF-8. Character sets allow different characters or symbols, for example, symbols from another language like French or Chinese, to be properly interpreted by the computer. UTF-8 is comprised of over 1 million characters that we use to represent all possible symbols and characters that are used on a web page. The body element contains almost everything that you see on the screen, such as headings, paragraphs, images, navigations, footers, etc. We will work on this in the next class. To wrap up, I'd like us to watch this TED Talk from Tim Berners-Lee, who is the inventor of the World Wide Web. It is absolutely important to know who Tim Berners-Lee is. This is not a long video. By all means, watch it, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next class.